Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I'm headed into Walmart and I'm bringing you along. Let's go shopping. So this one I'm gonna do vlog style. I'm gonna show you guys what my Walmart is putting out for some summer decor as well as their patriotic items. So let's start over here with all the summer items. So they have some large florals. These are $6.98 a piece. They do have it in the bright blue and the pink in metal. Then just below that, they have some miniature ones. These are $4.98, both also in the pink and blue. Down here they have some little tassels. It's called a summer decorative accessory. It looks like they've got it in the pink and teal. And then back here, seeing some teal and orange. Some little round signs. These are $5.88. They have the flamingo and the toucan. So this sign comes in two versions for $7.88. They've got it in the welcome and sunshine. Then right next to that, they've got some more tassels. These are little cactus. These are $2.88. It also comes in the flamingo in pink and the pineapple. Right next to that, they've got some little square signs, $3.88 on pool time and stay salty. They have some more tropical signs. These are little boxed wooden signs, but they have hangers on them. So they've got it in the pineapple and in the leaf, and those are $3.88. Max capacity on that hanger. These are little signs for $4.88. They've got this one in summer and one in sunshine with the flamingos. And then it looks like they've got a leaf back here in welcome. Just below that, they have some more little metal hanging decor for $4.88. They have the pineapple. They've got the little crab in orange and a flamingo. Over here for $9.98, they have two signs with pom-poms on them. This one in Hello Sunshine with the teal cactus and No Problema with the llama. For $6.88, they do have this little metal pineapple welcome sign. And just below that for $2.44, they do have a few garden stakes. This one in the pineapple. They also have it in Later Gator. So down below, we'll look at a few of their things before we go to the patriotic decor. These are just little crocodiles for $5.88. They actually have faux ceramic succulents on their backs. Some little hanging lanterns for $3.98. These are in teal, pink, and the orange. And some really cute little glass jar canisters for $2.96. They have it in the cactus, which is popular because there's only one left. They also come in the pineapple and the flamingo. Right next to that for $2.88, they've got the succulents in all kinds of bright colors and some LED string lights for $1.98. So it comes in a pineapple, a cactus, and a flamingo. We've got all of them here. Down below on the lowest shelf, they do have a little pillow for $7.98. So this one is not super big, but I will say it's stuffed better than the ones we've seen in seasons past. No Problema. Also some really cute, colorful baskets. These are $3.88 a piece. They've got some really bright metal buckets for $2.88 a piece. Teal, blue, pink, and orange. And right next to those for $4.88, some really cute little containers. I'm gonna call them planters. They definitely look like a cactus. They've got it in teal, pink, yellow, and the orange. And for $5.98, they have these little light up standing pieces of decor. They've got the pineapple, hey guys, also a pink flamingo and a teal cactus. Now we'll get into all the fun patriotic decor. First up, for $9.88, they do have two similar signs, the Stars and Stripes. So this one has red stripes at the bottom with the white stars hanging. The one just above it has white stripes with little star cutouts, and those again are $9.88. Just below that, also for $9.88, they do have this large sign. This definitely reminds me of something we would see at Michael's for a lot more. Now it's probably, I'd guess, close to 20 inches tall. Really good size for that one. Right next to it, something that caught my eye, again, $9.88, are these little wooden stars. They're actually not that little. They're a good size. I have fairly large hands. It comes in the stars and in the stripes. For $4.88, they did two signs. This one in Liberty and this one in Amazing Grace, How Sweet the Sound. Next to those signs, they do have a couple of little garden stakes. These are $1.98. They're just little galvanized stars with little wooden centers, red, white, and I'm guessing blue. For $3.88, they did these two little signs, really cute boxed style. This one in blue with blessings and this one in freedom. A returning item from last year are these little hanging stuffed hearts, a set of 3 on a ribbon for $2.98. Looks like the blue one is at the bottom with some polka dots, and then you have 2 printed red stars. For $5.98, they did a garden stake windmill. It's a really good size. They also did 2 metal hanging signs for $5.88. This one in Let Freedom Ring with the 1 star. And then they did Welcome with 3 stars. Right next to that, for $12.88, they did a really cute bottle cap style sign. There is no flag like red, white, and blue. Now we'll take a look at all the patriotic items down here below. Starting with this sign, I think this is a little steep for $5.88. They're just little tabletop signs. Really cute. Home of the free because of the brave with the little red stand. They also have it in the standing star. Next to that, they've got quite a few little teddy bear Uncle Sam's. Those are all $2.44 a piece. And for $1.98, they do have these little red metal buckets with blue and white hydrangeas. Some really pretty vases for $4.88 in the stars and the stripes. For $1.98, they do have the light up string lights in red, white, and blue stars. And some metal buckets for $2.88 with little star cutouts in red, white, and blue. Down below for $5.88, they have a home pillow. Really cute red text on a white background. Just next to that, they do have some nesting baskets with the flag print on them. The smallest is $3.88, $4.88, and then $5.88. Next to the baskets for $9.98, they do have these little lanterns. Now they're plastic, not metal, but they do all light up. For $7.48, they have these little standing stars with little light up Edison bulbs. It comes in red, white, and blue. For $16.88, they did a really bright, colorful wreath. And for $6.88, they did these little hanging pieces of decor. Now they do have little hinges on them, and they come in a few different colors. The orange, teal, and down below the navy. For $4.88, they do have these little hanging pieces with tassels. Some little miniature signs for $1.24. Beautiful minds inspire others. For $9.88, they have these really pretty heavy plaster style crosses in red and blue. For $3.88, they do have 3 different little cactus signs. This one with the yellow trim, this one in teal, and also in orange. For $7.88, they have these pieces of hanging decor on a blue background. And for $6.88, they do have some decorative plates. Now they look heavy, but they are super light. That one comes in 2 prints, and just below it, they do have a little pom-pom garland for $6.88. They also have some really large decorative looking plates. I'm guessing these are probably going to be priced around $16.88. No price on them just yet, but it does come in the 2 different styles. Definitely Southwest and kind of looks like Pioneer Woman to me. For $9.88, they did a tile style cross. And just below that, some faux potted succulents. These are actually plaster for $5.88. Some smaller decorative succulents. These are more like you would find at Dollar Tree in a few different colored bases for $1.98. And for $2.48, they have a few pieces of tabletop floral decor. A couple pieces of tabletop decor, these little ceramic signs in 3 prints for $2.88. Choose happy, enjoy the little things, and you are capable of amazing things. For $3.88, they have some really pretty little ceramic vases, a taller one and a shorter one. Down below for $5.88, they have these little planters. They do come in 2 prints, definitely have that Southwest look. Now down below, they also did a pillow, lots of little pom-poms on a sort of burlap style pillow. Now there's 2 prices here. This one says $6.88, and then the one next to it says $8.88. I'm guessing that's the price on the pillow. It's a little bigger than the others. And this is probably the item that was $6.88, these little baskets. And lastly, some candlesticks that I think definitely coordinate with Pioneer Woman's look this season. The larger one for $6.98 and the shorter one for $5.48. I hope you all enjoyed coming along with me to Walmart today to check out what they're putting out in their summer decor. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.